First symptom of a collapsed wear bar is while you're cycling the room will give a skipping sensation or a jumping sensation while the room is cycling. In this case, the first thing you're going to do before ordering any parts are you're going to have to measure the height of your wear bar. The way you're going to do that is you're going to run the room in approximately a foot to where you can look behind your side fascia. Once you have the room ran in, you'll be able to see this portion of the wear bar exposed past your slide room floor. At this point, you're going to measure the height of the wear bar itself. So as if you're going to hook underneath the center support of that wear bar to the top of the wear bar. In this case, it's 3/4 of an inch. Now we know that we'll need to order 3/4 of an inch tall rollers.